Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by getting the basics done fast. Power the PS4 and sign into your account so pairing can complete. Once done, update system software if prompted. That avoids compatibility issues. Next, insert fresh batteries in the Media Remote and check polarity. Make sure the PS4 is awake, not in rest mode, so it can discover devices. Connect any HDMI devices as usual. You want an unobstructed environment. Now that prerequisites are handled, move on to the actual pairing steps. You'll now perform the core pairing sequence. First, navigate to Settings, then Devices, and open Bluetooth devices. This readies the console to accept new controllers. Next, put the Media Remote into pairing mode by pressing and holding its designated Connect or Pair button until the LED flashes. This signals discoverability. On the PS4 list, locate the remote's name and press X to pair. If prompted, confirm or enter a simple code. Once paired, the PS4 will register the remote, and you can test basic buttons to finish by testing navigation, play/pause, and volume to ensure everything responds correctly. If something is off, make sure the batteries are fresh and the remote has line of sight to the console. Distance and obstructions matter. If it still won't pair, reboot the PS4, forget the device in Bluetooth settings, and run the pairing process again. As a last step, try the remote on another PS4 or try a different remote on this console to isolate whether the problem is the remote or the console.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.